Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome to South Phoenix. Going through some areas down here, south of downtown. We're on 7th Avenue right now. You're good. If you're new to the channel, we travel around all types of cities, states, and towns. Buckle up and enjoy the ride. There's a 3-story house right there. Person had a blow-up slide. They must be having a party. Party on 7th Avenue. We're heading towards Dobbins Point. Turning onto Baseline.
Oh, yeah.
We got raised feed. They got the cattle and stuff out here.
You saw that he put, hold on a second. She had put like being or making somebody.
Why are
Or
the color of the
looking
houses
back
like
on somebody to make you look good or
like
something
tan,
like that.
adobe?
And then he put.
I've noticed that. Is that
And then he posted like a bunch
just the style, or is it for some sort of heat savings, energy efficient, or what? Let me know if you know in the comments. I'd be interested to know why, if there is a reason at all. Let's returning here on South Central, or Central Avenue, headed south. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Let's go now this way. Keep right. We will.
Yeah, I saw that they did, but they were back to somebody spotted them back together like yesterday. Oh, it was on.
All right.
It was on Secret Prince video. We talked about it. But it was on her mom's Snapchat.
We've got a school here.
Like her mom posted in there, you know.
College Preparatory Academy.
Alright, love you. Bye.
We're on Central and South Mountain. Sonoran Bikeway. I guess we drive up that mountain there, huh? A lot of Circle K fuel stations here.
Yours is probably right. Mine is probably like if you like a hike or something to it. I don't know.
1 point. Oh, yours says to turn left at 1.4 miles. Huh. Weird. We've got some more houses here. Some more neighborhoods here. Those are cool. Those like townhomes, apartments. Said Ghettos.